Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back into my channel. So in this lab, we're going to practice using CloudFront with AWS. So first of all, let's go ahead and create a bucket. We're going to name this. Let's say CloudFront. Say CloudFront. No. CloudFront S3. That's it. Just go ahead and create it. So name is already taken. Okay, so now we have a bucket, and go ahead and upload some stuff inside of this bucket. This stuff, looking for this folder, S3. Let's grab this, that, I want this, right on the folder, let's grab that, and probably I may want this too. No, hold up, let's cancel, because this is a folder. Let's grab add folder instead, and just make this comment, upload. Okay. I want this all or what? Okay. Let's go ahead and cancel the folder. We don't really need that. This will be too long. Yeah, let's back out. Let's go to CloudFront. But yeah, we don't really need that. Cancel this, aren't we? Let's make it simple. Let's go to upload stuff. Let's back out to here. Let's go and upload. And let's just add let's just back out to this, making sure that we have these only. I don't wanna grab too many stuff. Okay, let's just upload these only. That's all we need. Okay. All right. Okay. So now that we have the stuff being uploaded, now see image. Not sure why it's inside of this folder name image. Let's delete this folder. So I don't want this to be inside of the folder name image. Let's go here. Delete object. I'll permanently delete. Let's make this permanently delete. Okay. Let's close. Let's go back to bucket. Let's go to CloudFront. Okay, it looks like, okay, so it's all empty. It's back here. Let's just go and upload. Let's add. And we'll just make it simple. Just add those with no folder, because we don't want to have too much stuff. That's, yeah, just make it simple. Okay, so now that we have our folders being uploaded, say if we were to open this, and if we go here and click on that, because this is not access to public, so we can't get out. I mean, we could get to it. Even if we were to click open, maybe now it would open this. Okay, so now no problem. Now let's go back into this. Let's say if we were to go to this, and we would open this website, so it's not open. But if we click on open here, it would. Try. This is not showing picture of it. Okay, just back out of here. Pictures, yeah. Okay, so now, now let's practice CloudFront. Say CloudFront. So we have CloudFront here. So as you can tell, that CloudFront is a global feature because we have global here now. What is CloudFront? So Amazon, see if you could find a video. So Amazon CloudFront securely deliver content with low latency and high transfer speed. So Amazon CloudFront is a fast content delivery network service that securely deliver data, videos, application, and API to customers globally with low latency. So just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys. So basically, with CloudFront, that the benefits and future with CloudFront is that it reduces latency. The CloudFront network has 225 plus point of presence, which is POPS, that are connected by fully redundant parallel of 100 gigabyte fiber delivery, ultra low latency performance, and high availability to your end user. So CloudFront automatically map network conditions and intelligently route your user traffic when serving up cache or dynamic content. So it improves security. So use CloudFront for perimeter protection, traffic encryption, and access control, AWS Shield standard defense, traffic transmission through CloudFront from distributed denial of service. Distributed denial of service attack, and no additional charge for application protection. You can integrate AWS WAF, which is a firewall, and manage rule and manage third-party firewall option into CloudFront workload. So CloudFront is basically, so it's cut costs, it customized delivery. So use cases is bang, bang, bang. So there's a free tier here it explains. So let's just go ahead and create that real quick. So first and foremost, we would give this a name. So as you can tell, when we click on that, it automatically giving us our origin domain. We could choose a custom one, but But here it's giving you the bucket name that you have created, that if you want your CloudFront to be attached to it. So you have the original path, and you have this name here, which already been given to you by default. And down here, you have three options: origin access. You have public, you have origin access control settings, which is the recommended one. You have the legacy access identity. Legacy access identifier. Identities, which is not an option, but we're gonna pick the recommended option as the one that is recommended in our case. Yes. And so what else do we need? So at this stage, so for create control settings, we gotta go here, and it gives us a name, which is the CloudFront name here that we have. So we good. Let's go ahead and just create that. So now we have it. And if you notice, you will see it says that you must update the S3 bucket policy. So CloudFront will provide you. So CloudFront will provide you. CloudFront will provide you with the policy statement after creating this distribution. So basically, all that is that you have to create a bucket policy. So let's just go here and I'll show you what that really means. So as you go on bucket here, say Amazon S3, just to be on the safe side, let's go on bucket, just refresh. Yeah, so we have this here. And if you go to permission, you scroll down. It's properly. So you scroll down. Permission. Second. So in the bucket policy, right there, if you click here, so basically this is what it means. You got to update this policy here. So then let's switch back to this. And as we do, we're going to leave everything else as default, with the exception that once we reach down here to the default root object, you would put the name of the website that you want this to access to. So in my case, it will be what? Let's see if we could close this. So we have too many stuff open at once. In my case, it will be, so that's 3. What am I doing? Bucket. And CloudFront. That'll be S3 bucket.html. So it'll be S3. Is it bucket dot HTML? HTML. Let's double check to make sure. Okay, it's just so it's S3 bucket.html. So that's the name here. Copy it. Switch back here, paste it to be on the safe side. And as for description option, we can leave this as default, and then we go ahead and create. Now, if you notice, it says that the S3 bucket policy needs to be updated. So this is very good. This is a tool. I mean, this is kind of a cheat sheet note that they give you. So to complete distribution configuration by allowing with access to CloudFront origin access control in your CloudFront statement. So basically, all you got to do is just go here, copy this, and if you click here, it would automatically take you into your CloudFront bucket. And you would need to, all you got to do is just edit your bucket policy here, and you would paste your code into that. So all that is that it just says, so the bucket policy need to be updated. So once you click that, you have to update your bucket policy. So once you copy paste it, and so let's just explain to you a little bit of what we have here. So this copy, we says to hit that, okay. So we allow CloudFront service get object on any file in our bucket. That's what that mean, on any file. So we allow get object S3 bucket get object to allow any file into our bucket as long as CloudFront distribution. So this is the condition, is the one we created. So this basically allow our distribution to access our S3 bucket. This was generated by AWS, so we don't have anything else beside this. So to permit, so the permission to permit anything from the resource of these S3 bucket that we created. So back to just save this. And if we back to our CloudFront, so back to our CloudFront, we just close this. So now you see it says that it's still deploying. So we gotta wait till this deploying is completely done. And then we could copy this URL and show you the power of CloudFront. So for the time being, let's see if we can find you anything that's, what is CloudFront is used for. So let's see if I can question. By the way, so Amazon CloudFront is a web service that gives businesses and web application developers an easy and cost-effective way to distribute content with low latency and high data transfer speed. So what that is, go down, see if you could find more about CloudFront. So basically, what is CloudFront? So it gives you like how to set up your CloudFront to deliver content. So this is, so first of all, this is the overall thing, and second of all, that's an object. So third of all, the developer and the web distribution, and this is the HTTP command, and that's the edge location. So your your distribution configuration. So Amazon S3 bucket or HTTPS server, so Amazon CloudFront. So it explains how to how how you configure CloudFront to deliver your content. So this is pretty good information. So Amazon CloudFront is a web service that speed up distribution of your static and dynamic web content, such as HTTP, CSS, JS, an image file to your user. So CloudFront delivers your content through a worldwide network and data center called edge location. So when a user requests content that you serving with CloudFront, the request is routed to the edge location that provided the lowest latency time delay, so that content is delivered with the best possible performance. If the content is already in the edge location with the lowest latency, so CloudFront delivers it immediately. If the content is not in the edge location, CloudFront retrieves it from an original that you've defined, such as Amazon S3 bucket and media package channel, or an HTTP server. So for example, a web server that you have identified as the source for the definitive version of your content. So let's just switch back here now and see if it's the CloudFront content. Where we at? Okay, so the deployment is finished process. So for example, if you lose where to go to copy the policy and paste it into our S3 bucket, you would go down here and you would select this and you will edit and you will scroll down and you would have to copy your policy from here. As you can see, you must allow access CloudFront into the statement policy. So that's exactly what we did earlier. So let's just go ahead and cancel this. Since we have done this already, let's just go to general and then we copy this. We open up a new browser. We paste that. And what does it look like? Let's go back here. Go back here. So that's our distribution domain. Why is it not working? So public access is blocked because public access settings are turned on for this. Of course. So successfully added bucket. Block all public access is on, so that's good. Not sure what's going on. What is the reason that this wouldn't work? Let's just investigate. See. Um, I'm not sure why. Basically, we haven't missed any step. Let's just refresh this to making sure. Doesn't look like we have done anything wrong to cause this not to work. It says access denied. Oh, now it looks like we don't, there's no steps that we're missing that makes this not to work. Um, so switch back to CloudFront. Hmm. Not sure. So we want this. We create that. Set. Create a control settings. Enable original shield. Have additional settings. So we've done that already. Go to our bucket permission. Edit it. Done everything. So bucket and object not public, so which is good. Not sure why it doesn't work. So it looks like everything and every steps of the way is done accordingly. Okay, so we upload objects into this, and we have this. And proof of that, if we open that, go there, say about this one too. Okay, so basically, I will investigate what may have been the reason it's doing this, and then I will get back to you. So thank you for following along. Stay tuned for another lab.